Here I've got KRUGER MATZ Move 8 Mini, and let me show you how to activate and use recovery mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to turn off your phone. To do it, simply click on power key and then click on power off. Once your device is shut down, simply tap on power key and volume down key and hold both keys until you see the boot mode. And here it is. Now you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So let me pick the first option, which is recovery mode. Let's tap on volume down key. And once you see the Android logo, simply tap on power key and then hit volume up key once. And here we've got Android recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using volume down and up keys, and for selection you should use power key. From Android recovery you can reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, update from SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, recovery logs, run graphic test, and power off the device. So this is all super functions that you can access through the Android recovery mode. Then if you'd like to go back to the standard one, simply select reboot system now. Let's tap on power key to do it. Okay, so let me do it one more time. And wait a couple of seconds until you are back in the normal mode. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in the standard mode, so you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.